Hi everyone, this is MD168. Ngayon po ay very special day ng ating ate sa White World na si Ma'am Malu. And I just wish you all the best day. At I'm very thankful na after maybe 2 years knowing you in YT, and I met you last February of this year. At I know already that you are one of the best ate here in YT World, at kilala ka na din sa lahat-lahat na nandito, at magpapasalamat lang din po ako na nakilala kita kasi everybody knows how supportive you are at very mahinhin, at yung pero ang sweet ding tumawa, madali ding tumawa, at madali ding pero when I met her in person, ay naku, ang lakas ang lakas din palang tumawa, at ang saya. Very generous din si Ate Malu. So I just wish you the happiest 60th. Ayan, gibundak yun na ho ang 60th eh. Pero it doesn't matter because you really look young at your age. Proud na proud ka talaga. Ma-proud ka talaga sa sarili mong yan. Maski 60 ka na nga, pero baby face ka pa din, at ang katawan mo po ay parang bata. Mas ano pa nga ako eh. Pero anyway, just wish you all the best sa lahat-lahat ng mga ano man ang wish mo sa buhay. I'm sure you have everything you need, and we are very happy to be part of your life, especially sa ating YT na ito. It gives us good friends. We meet in person din, at siya ay talagang very very mabait na ate. So I wish you all the best lang, te, and enjoy the rest of your the year, and sana ay ang happy lang sa buhay at happy lang sa life, o di ba? Ika nga, ano lang ito, ano lang ang ating YT. Anong tawag dyan, oy? Enjoying lang tayo. Nakakaalo din kasi na makamit tayo ng mga mababait na kaibigan. So ayan lang po. God bless you, Ate Malu, and see you around. Enjoy the rest of your birthday. Thank you, and I love you. Ayan, ito yung pagkikita namin ni Ate Malu for the first time doon sa Las Vegas, at kasama niya si Joy, ang kapatid niyang maganda. O diba, ang ganda namin. O ayan, very very sweet. Happy talaga kami nga nagkita. Pusing-pusing of course naman. At yun po, I'm just wishing all the best for Ate Malu on her 60th. I know right now she is in cruise with her family. At sana ay ma-enjoy mo talaga, te. It's one of a lifetime gathering lang din kung saan ka man ngayon. I hope mapanood mo din live ang aming pag-premiere for your birthday. And if not, I know na sa lalawigan ka ng karagatan. Ayan, sayang-saya lang namin. So I just want for you to be happy and have a good blast lang, Ate Malu. God bless you po, at see you again another time. O diba, bungislis lang kaming apat nagkita talaga. So ayan po. Thank you and God bless, Ate Malu. Please support if you are not connected to Ma'am Malu. Thank you guys for watching.